Homeowners in Des Allemands are always looking for ways to enhance the beauty, comfort, and value of their homes. One feature that has become increasingly popular is the installation of bow windows. Known for their elegant curved design and expansive glass panels, bow windows can transform both the interior and exterior of a home. Beyond aesthetics, they also offer several practical advantages that make them a smart investment for homeowners in the area. Enhanced natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of bow windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a home. Because bow windows consist of multiple glass panels arranged in a gentle curve, they allow sunlight to enter from several angles throughout the day. This makes rooms feel brighter, larger, and more welcoming. In Des Allemands, where sunny days are common, bow windows help homeowners make the most of natural daylight. More sunlight inside the home can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, which may help lower energy usage. Beautiful panoramic views. Bow windows extend outward from the wall of the home, creating a wider viewing area compared to standard windows. This design provides homeowners with beautiful panoramic views of their surroundings. Whether your home overlooks a quiet neighborhood street, a scenic backyard, or the natural beauty of southern Louisiana, bow windows can frame those views perfectly. The curved structure offers a wider visual perspective, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home. Increased home value. Upgrading windows is often considered one of the most valuable home improvements, and bow windows are no exception. Their distinctive design adds architectural interest and curb appeal, making a home stand out in the neighborhood. For homeowners in Des Allemands who may plan to sell in the future, installing bow windows can make the property more attractive to potential buyers. Buyers often appreciate the additional light, space, and visual appeal that bow windows provide. Additional interior space. Because bow windows extend outward from the home, they create extra interior space that can be used in creative ways. Many homeowners turn this space into a cozy reading nook, a small seating area, or a decorative display space for plants and decor. In living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms, this added space can make the room feel more open and functional. In homes where maximizing square footage is important, bow windows provide a practical way to enhance usability without a full renovation. Improved ventilation options. Many bow window designs include panels that can open, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout the home. This can help improve indoor air quality and create a more comfortable environment, especially during pleasant weather. With multiple opening panels, homeowners can control airflow more effectively than with traditional single windows. In Des Allemands, where warm weather is common, this ventilation can make a noticeable difference in comfort. A stylish architectural upgrade. Bow windows bring a classic yet sophisticated look to any home style. Their curved shape softens the appearance of exterior walls and adds depth to the overall design. Inside the home, they create a focal point that enhances the room's character. Whether your home has a traditional, modern, or coastal design, bow windows can blend beautifully with existing architecture while still making a striking visual statement. Energy efficiency potential. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced materials and insulated glass that can help improve energy efficiency. High-quality window frames and glazing options help maintain indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. For homeowners in Des Allemands, this means a more comfortable home throughout the year. Well-installed energy-efficient bow windows can help keep indoor spaces cooler during hot summers and more comfortable during cooler months. A smart investment for Des Allemands homes. Installing bow windows offers a combination of beauty, functionality, and long-term value. From increasing natural light and improving views to adding space and boosting curb appeal, these windows provide benefits that homeowners can enjoy every day. For those looking to upgrade their homes in Des Allemands, bow windows offer an elegant and practical solution that enhances both lifestyle and property value.